Hello everybody, it's Michelle and I have got a wonderful haul of craft products to share with you guys today. I found a new website that I love for craft supplies and I just had to share it with you guys. I loved it so much that I immediately placed a big order and I even signed on to their affiliate program because I know that in the future I'm going to have so many more products from that website to share with you guys. It's called CreateForLess. And it is so inexpensive. I think you guys are going to love it. There is a little bit of a catch. You have to spend at least $10. They won't accept orders for smaller than $10. But there is also an upside. If you spend $50, you get free shipping. So I went ahead and spent the $50 because I always figure if I'm going to spend the extra money that I would have to pay for shipping otherwise, I'd rather have that money go toward more products. And they had a wonderful sale going on. And I'm going to tell you guys some of the prices. Usually I don't like to do that in a video because over time prices change. And I don't want someone to be watching my video years down the road and follow those links and expect the same prices if it's been many years and they have changed. So just know that this video is as of July 2019. If it's years later when you're watching this video, the prices may have changed. But at this point, it's just such a wonderful deal. I had to share it with you guys and tell you how much I got all of these things for. Okay, so I have 2 packs of the Sticko planner stickers, and they're tiny little, maybe for mini planners, and I do use a bigger planner, but I thought they were just adorable. I love the little images, and I'll try to include some close-up shots of everything at the end for you guys so you can see everything. I think they're beautiful, and I love these for my planner, and these were only 89 cents, so that was a great deal. But even better than that was this huge pack of 2019 stickers. So like I said, I'm making this video in July of 2019. So we've still got half of the year that we can use these in our planners and everything. And it's a giant pack. But this was already marked down. And I got this large sheet for just 19 cents. I thought that was amazing. So you've got 2019 tab shaped stickers and just different fonts, some really large ones, really small ones, and then you've even got some months and days of the week, and I think this is going to be great in my planner as well. I couldn't believe 19 cents. That was amazing, you guys. So be sure to check out their clearance section when you go over to their website. I will include my affiliate link down in the description. I'll include just the general link to their main page of their website, as well as individual links for these products, because you actually may get a little lost trying to find certain things on that website. They have so much. I was amazed with the great variety of things that they have. Every type of crafting you can imagine, every brand that you can imagine, it's all on there. And it's very extensive. Just their clearance section alone was overwhelming. They have so much. So I've also got some little tan colored pom-poms, and these are a 10mm size. These actually, I had a specific project in mind that I wanted to use these for, and the color was slightly off from that of what I already have on hand that I was wanting to pair it with in my project. So I'm going to have to continue my search for something else to match with that, but I'm sure I'll find something to do with these. I think they're beautiful. And these were $1.19. And here is another amazing deal that I got. You guys are not going to believe. I got 2 packs of bottle caps. I got gold and a dark green. And I do have a project in mind with these if they work the way I'm thinking with some other products that are on the way. But they are 10 to a pack. And I got these for only 24 cents a pack. You guys, it's amazing. You've got to check out their clearance section. I may leave a link that just takes you straight to their clearance page because that is amazing. I just loved it. And the next thing I want to show you is my Snippet Tool. and that is by Multicraft. And this is great for sewing and embroidery projects, and you guys know that I'm trying to get back into a little bit of embroidery, and I want to do some as projects in videos to show you guys. So I got one of these, and it is amazing. It's got the little protective cap so that you don't end up stabbing yourself, or you can safely put that in and throw it into your bag if you're taking your supplies with you on the go, and that protects you from reaching in and grabbing the blade, or it protects from cutting your inside of your bag. And I find with sewing and embroidery and things like that, that it's so easy just to have one of these little handheld snippers than it is to try to get your fingers into a pair of scissors when your hands are busy doing other projects. You can quickly grab these, snip your thread, and then your hand's free again. So it's really easy. And another thing that I really like about these is that when you cut, the blades actually bypass one another. They go beyond just meeting together like that. So they bypass completely. If you can see that little overlap there. They bypass, and that's going to ensure that you get a good cut. And they feel so heavy duty and sturdy. I just love these. I've got a little pair of snips in my sewing room, but it doesn't have the cap, and it's not near this heavy duty. I really love this. And I got it for only $2.19. And also in the way of embroidery, I got these adorable little 3-inch embroidery hoops. And I got these for $1.39 each. And I ordered 10 of them. And I've been on their website since, and I think these even went down a little more to $1.29 if I'm not mistaken. And I've got something fun planned for these as well. Actually, a couple of ideas with those. I really hope that I get a chance to get to everything. So then I went ahead and got me some Distress Oxide ink pads. I was tickled to death to see that they had the Distress Oxide pads on this website. And these were only $5.19 each. They had some of the other more basic colors. I think they had black soot and maybe ground espresso, if I'm not mistaken. That was just like $1 or $2. But I already had those colors, and I wanted some new colors. I'm trying to build up my supply of colors. And I got barn door, carved pumpkin, scattered straw, and gathered twigs. So I thought maybe red, orange, yellow, brown. I'm planning on maybe some fall projects. So if you guys want to get some Distress Oxides at a great price, that's the place to do it. And at that point in my order, that was pretty much all I had in mind at the time. And I wasn't going to order anything else until I realized that I was close enough. So you know I wanted to spend that money on product rather than shipping charge. So I got myself the EK Tools paper crimper. So like I said, I will leave you guys the links below to everything that I purchased, as well as their general website, and even a link to their clearance page. But remember, there is that catch. You have to order at least $10 worth of product, but if you order 50, it's even better. You'll get free shipping. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you go over and check out their website, I'd love for you to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it, what you found that you like on their website. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.